Welcome guys, Creambot back again with another recent video. Today we're gonna check out another Trinidad dancehall music video from Boy. It's called Adrenaline. I did a Boy before, it's called Die, and that was very interesting, I'm not gonna lie. So I decided to check out the next one, and this one is called Adrenaline. So we're gonna see if it has the same pace as the Boy or it's totally different scenery. Oh, that's the first song, that's Die. That's interesting, he played in this video and he got...
Finally reach on the beach and all along I wanted some bacon shot.
After. Yo, honest to God, I love hearing the Trinidad accent, especially from the females, bruh. Well, from the females, I love hearing from the females, bruh. I don't have a problem with dudes, but I love hearing the females, bruh. You see me? Females sound so good.
You don't even care to take time off from work, all kind of thing.
Boy, I take time out from the boy shop, you know. That's how the accent sound. Like they draw their thing. But when they do the dance, oh, damn. My girl looking sick, bruh.
Yo, see me last month.
Looking rough, bruh.
What did I do? She have a mother.
But when they sing, they actually sound. Yeah, you got me.
Nah, that's enough. You handle that for me. Yeah? You handle it. Rev it!
What the hell?
Yo, Rasta. Somebody clear Rasta. Quick. Hold on, step on the hold on there. Step on. Hold on.
Yo, what the hell?
Hold on.
Man, they just rob him just like that? Really, dude?
Say she in love with a star, man. And a bad man.
Man, yo.
Trinidad. Hey, yo. Latas.
Kelly on the beat.
Damn, my boy swooped and stole his girl, bruh. Swipe and no swiping. That's not here, bruh.
Them finna say. Every boss link up on the beach side. Say she let she man on the east side. Big side fuck and she no think twice. Say she want the long ride. Rev it out on the black bike. Rev it out on the black bike.
Yo, I said it before and I said it again. If I didn't know, if I heard this song playing right now in Jamaica, bruh, and I didn't know the artist, I would think that this is a Jamaican artist. Literally, this sounds just like a dancer Jamaican song. The accent, the Trinidad accent, I can't even hear it.
I don't like, mommy bring her into my life. Let me show you what the streets like, yeah, this is the real life. Then she tell me what she feel like. She miss the only in the beehive.
Oh.
Because say she look bad man and boss gun when she feeling adrenaline.
Yo, the man will take her girl, dog. Instantly.
She fall in love with the black little boy and with the melody. She say it feel good, she don't commit no felony. She don't commit no felony because I love she a cigar and so she was bad.
Yo, I feel that vibe, I feel that song. Song have a nice sound to it, have a nice vibes to it, you know? Sound good.
She a tell me under the sheet up, yeah, because the good fuck they make she speak up. Long cocky make she leak up. She want me for the week up.
The man say, long cocky make she eek up. You know that? Yo! Blood clot. Yo, it's bad, dog.
That move they make she not lean up. Why? Big because she
yo, thick go, dog. They're like extra thick, but she have a nice good thickness, you see me? Not tell them, I love to get them have the shape, dog. Big man thing, get them have the shape and then feel like teddy bear or like a nice pillow, soft, nice, cool, just fluffy, you see me? Like slim girl too, but thick girl have the nice little thing, you see me?
A rich man busy and work, so she get fed up by him. Hey, she fall in love with the black little boy and melody. She say it feel good, she don't commit no felony. Boss link up on the beach side. Say she let she man on the east side. Beg for the fuck and she no think twice. Say she want the long ride.
Yo.
Mommy bring her into my life. Let me show you what the streets like. Yeah, this is the real life. Then she tell me what she feel like. She miss the only in the beehive.
Damn, look how thick. Yo, bro, yo. You know what? I'm gonna stop pause, bro.
Because a rich man busy can work, so she get fed up by him. Hey, she fall in love with the black little boy, and with the melody. Hey, she say it feel good, she don't commit to felony. NGM.
NGM. Oh, new generation. Wow.
E-Star, yeah. Yo, Lackers. Central Records. Easy with it. Yo, Kelly. Beats.
Damn. Yo, but that's gotta lie, bro. I like this. The Die song was cool and everything, but I think I kind of like this one more. I don't know why. Probably you have to choose some nice little ladies in it, but it Die it's like a war tune. This is the more like a girl type. Yeah, gangsta, the money, get the girls type of tune, isn't it? But I think I like this one a little bit more. A little bit. Not much, but a little bit. Because I actually like Die. And I said before, if I didn't even know this artist, bro, and I heard this song playing right now, like outside right now in Jamaica, I would even think that this was a Trinidad artist. I would just listen and just don't even know what's going on. I just say, oh, the new artist, Jamaican artist. But it's a Trini. You see me? And I have to say, oh my God, the Trinidad accent. When I say this, I'm talking about the females. The Trinidad accent for the females, man. Oh my God, sounds so different. It's like it does different. It have a weird sound to it, but it's, you know, people like Jamaican accent, but we use our own accent. So when I hear someone else's accent, I actually like 3 accents. Like I like Jamaican accent, my own accent. I like British accent, which is kinda like Jamaican accent, and I like Trini accent. I always said that. I always say I like my own accent, Trini accent, and British accent, because I don't know, they kind of sound the same. But anyway, guys, this is the end of this video.